Okay, so we'll start the trade with Crazii version 10.4 review of 2nd of April market. So let's look at the one as about is DEX. Okay, now I'm talking to DEX because I really think that for people, if you are going to take trading seriously, DEX could be a very good market to consider. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so let's look at DEX yesterday. Okay. Okay, so DAX yesterday opens at what 22,478, and it was just barely above the pivot two. So it's a very clear when the market goes below pivot two, below OP, naturally it will be a sell. It will be a sell, yeah. And the market went all the way down after you break the MLP. Can you see that? All the way it came down, yeah. Then after that, there was a strong rebound because US stock recovered, so it went up. So you can see that when the market is doing this, when the market is below OP and KSI is red, KCX is blue, when you have that dot alignment, then you sell normal size, you can stretch your profit as much as you can. But of course, sometimes due to intervention, the market can rebound. So always consider do this thing when you are selling some. If everything all alignment is there, you can just hold your short position all the way, but you must still take profit at that very point. It means that if the market can go to KTR -3, example, you just hold up, hold until hit -3. But at -3, you must take. You cannot say that, oh, okay, since Cal say KSI is red, KSX is blue, bar is red, so let's go and hold it and then don't care and don't bother. Now that's wrong because once the market goes there, the market can change and buy back again. So it's very different here itself. So let me explain this again. If let's say now if the bar is red in color, the KSI is red in color, the KCX is blue in color, all right? Or you can be even green at extremity is fine. You can short the market or you short the market and you hold it until the last part, okay? Like KTR -3. But once you reach there itself, right, you must take profit, okay? Then you must take profit, then leave some SWL just in case it rebound and you hope for the best. Who knows, it may go to next KCB. But that is if everything's aligned. But when the market is not aligned, let's say this bar is red color, but this guy KSI is green in color, then no good, right? So what must you do? Then you must take profit every time, every level you take profit. See a difference there? There's a difference between the first one and the second one. If you understand this, press the next number now, which is number 3. Yes, number 3. Yeah. Okay, so now let's go to the DAX 5-minute chart. Now, only for Hang Seng, we trade 1-minute chart. The remaining market, we trade 5-minute. Yeah, even for DAX, it's also 5-minute. Now, some people say they think that 5-minute is too fast for them. And then they want to do a low time frame. They ask me, is it possible? I say, guys, I have not did any homework for you. I don't know whether other market, other the market itself on other time frame is it as good because I only have time and capacity to see 5-minute really works nicely. So I don't lie to you. You can turn my indicator to lower different time frame. It will be there. The diamond will be there. Everything is there. But the problem is whether it be accurate or not, right? That one I really don't know the answer. Okay, I can lie to you lah, but I'm not gonna do that. Yeah. Okay, so let's start the day first. Now, why is there an arrow here? Because the market went below OP and it went below pivot 2. Can you see that? Yeah, so went below OP and below pivot 2. That's why there's an arrow here itself. Okay, so that's how the arrow works. All right, so now the market goes down first and then incredibly chun again, exactly at KTR -1, the market rebounded over there itself, as if that the market no KTR -1 exists there. Okay, so that's the reason why I say our system itself is very unique, and if you actually follow through, you will know that it's really a class of its own. Yeah. Okay, then followed by the diamond. Then what should I do? Draw the line. Yes, always draw the line. So once you have you know what to do, right, guys? Just draw the line. Okay, the white line, and that's it. So if the market basically stays below the line, then you can only one thing to do is to sell the market because it's below OP, below pivot 2, KSI red, then of course you have this thing here, then of course you sell. There's nothing more you need to do. And because I told you, right, that everything, the alignment is all there, so you can take profit at KTR minus 3 if you want to. Of course, you say, no, lah, minus 2, I'm happy with it. No problem, but you look carefully again, guys, look at the way minus 2, you look at it. This particular bar itself is the low of the day at that point. And the low of the day was exactly at KTR minus 2. It's as if that the market also know KTR minus 2 exists. Look at it again at KTR minus 1. So guys, we really have a tool, no, that's a world beater. And if you really follow through, you should be able to make really good money from the market. Yeah. Okay, so now market go all the way down because there's no diamond anyway. So what happened? So you're done, right? At KTR minus 3, your day is over already. Your day is over. You do not need to trade anymore. But if some people say, Kel, I want to buy, I want to buy. Oh, okay. So there's a diamond here, right? Okay, then you draw the line. So what do you see? The market go up, right? Okay, then after that, there's a 4 diamond. So what must you do? Change the line, change the way to the new point here, which is here now. So the market still got go up lah, but it's below the opening price. Okay, and then when that happened, the market U-turn, which is now CCYR on the below the white line, and KSI also turn red. KCX got blue arrow, blue bars. Then of course the market will come down again now. All right. So again, I got question on this Cal. That these 2 diamonds happen to be within 5 candlestick, right? I say yes. So isn't that a market bottom? I say usually yes. Then why it didn't go up? Wow. Then then what's the point of the white line here? The white line is supposed to tell you what to do, right? So that's the reason why you must use the white line. Okay. Then after that, right, there's a 4 diamond and a diamond stack. So what must I do? So straight away got one student saying he buy very big. I say why? He said that because it's a stacked diamond can buy big, right? Now when did I ever say got 4 stacked diamond can buy big? I think in my whole life I don't ever say this before. You now supposed to draw a line, my friend, draw a line. Do you notice that the market stay above the line? Yes or no? Did the market stay above the line? Yes or no, guys? Did the market stay above the white line? Yes or no? Please answer me in the group chat, yeah? No, right? Obviously, it didn't stay above the line. So if you stay above the line, then what can you do? Actually, it's by right, it's a short. But because KTR minus 3 is given already, no point doing that. But anyway, this particular friend, this first student went into heavily long there as well and lost about 3 grand for nothing. $3,000. So it's like, oh my God, okay? So please, guys, I really beg you, do me a little favor, right? Don't misquote me or don't say things that I didn't say. I said got diamond, you draw the line. If the market stay above the line, you do it. Then you may ask a question, Cal. If that's the case, then what to differentiate between a 1 diamond and a 4 diamond and a stacked diamond lay? Remember, all right, the 1 diamond come is because of the KCX. The 4 diamond come is because of change of the indicator's position. All right, the stacked diamond appear is because happen to be the 1 diamond and the 4 diamond have the same alignment. But the point is, I'm explain here is no matter how, you need to draw the line and then you follow through with the line. If the market is, in this case, yellow and it's above the line, you can buy. But if the market is below the line and is red in color, you sell. That is how simple. Okay, that's how simple it is. Now, why we don't want to draw the line for you? Because by right, the line can stretch as far back as possible until it breaks. Yes. So now you can see that if I draw this line and I draw it like this, okay, by right itself, you can see very clear, it's a CCYR, right? So market keep on selling. But once it hit the point of the low end, you notice that the diamond again will appear. So now you see the difference here. You draw the last diamond here, example, you draw the line. So what happened? What do you see? The market initially go up first, right? Then it came down, right? And then it go back up again. So what do you get this from here? So some of you say, I buy here already, then it come down, I sell, then it go up again, lose money, don't play anymore lah. That's what usually people do, right? But by default, right, you shouldn't be doing this because that means that you should buy first, cut and buy again. But the difference is that after you buy again, you notice, right, the market start to move up already. And you can see it at the back, the boys really come in. So you compare this thing and the one in front here, there were still sellers in front. There only a little bit of buying. But this guy has more buying power behind it itself. So that's the difference why the KSI is so important. Okay, and also by the back end itself, right, the KCX also turned bull. You see, earlier itself, they were sellers, but now they are buyers. So the price were the same in terms of price, were the same, but the momentum were different. So that's the reason why you need to see the chart from that perspective. Okay, all clear? If all clear, press the next number, which is number 4. Now, by putting this thing numbering itself, right, is make sure that you're listening to me and also participate, and of course don't fall asleep. Someone tell me, say, okay, you always talk until I fall asleep. Then isn't that good for you? If I can be so good itself, right? Then make sure it's turned on for 6 hours and you can rest well at night. Okay, so now the question is this, Kel. Then after that, got more diamond. What should I do? Keep on shifting now. So what happened is that you see now you have a new diamond, you shift here. You see a new diamond, you shift here. So you keep on shifting accordingly, and you can see if the market is supposed to buy, it will still stay yellow. So do me a favor, guys. You don't need to cut here. Now, one person asked me this, Kel. I draw the line already, right? Okay, here. Then it went below the line. Should I cut or not? No need, no need. The bar is yellow. The KSI is green. The KCX is black, sorry. Why you need to cut? You don't need to cut. And you remember when you enter the market itself, right? You already entered based on the rule of drawing this. Your stop loss is here, right? The market never hit here. The market lowest point is here. So why must you in a hurry to cut your position just because you go below the line? So what happens is that the recollection is because the previous case whereby it's below the line, right? Right. The difference is it was red in color. KSI also turned red. So that's why it goes down. But this guy, although it's below the line, but the market is yellow in color and the KCX and KSI is different. So you must understand this. That's different. Yeah, don't just randomly see below line, just cut. Then I tell you, you will lose more money by the end of the day before you even make any money. Okay, so now you can see that after a while later, the diamond increase, you draw a line again, and you see, even though this guy comes so low, you come to this point here, the bar is still yellow, the KSI is still green, the KSI is still black, and then again go up. Can you see that? Yeah. So where's the turning point is that if you draw the diamond, you draw, like that. So once you go below it, okay, now it's below the line. Okay, if you want to sell the market, yes, you can. Then you can just go with the flow. You see? So if you have followed this and you draw, and the market, you see, really touch the line and then come down. Easily 1 KTR is given, yeah, in the way. Can you see that? Pretty cool, right? Yeah. Then after that, what happened now? Same thing again. You have 4 diamonds appearing, and you have straw. And of course, you see what happened today, later in the afternoon, right? So of course, the most likely the index will gap down quite a fair bit, lah. Yeah. Then you just do the same thing again, draw the diamond, and then trade accordingly. Now, the best time to trade DEX, in my personal opinion, the best time to trade is when they open. Okay, there are a few waves that will be good, and then somewhere around here, okay, somewhere around here, which is about 17:30. All right, that's about now 10 more hours to go. So about 10:40 lah, about 10:30 p.m. About 10:30 p.m. you can stop already. So 10:30 p.m. you can stop trading with DEX already, SGT. Yeah. All right, the start time itself, right? You can start somewhere, maybe about an hour later. I mean, at about 10. So that means 3 hours from now. So that'll be 3:30 lah. So about 3 p.m. now, yeah, 3 p.m. Singapore time until 10:30 Singapore time. I think good enough. But if you really want to just squeeze the market, I think usually we win by probably 6 p.m. We are almost done already. Okay, all clear? This is all Singapore time, yeah? All clear? If all clear, press the next number 5. Okay, so I come to the end of today's revision by showing you a DEX 5-minute chart. I really hope that from today onwards, more people trade the DEX so that you can get the benefit of an index, because I think that now with the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq, S&P, they're all now really very heavily distracted by the tariffs. So there will be a lot of volatility, and every candle can be quite a big movement. Yeah, so DAX will be a better choice for now. All right, guys, that will be all for today. Hope you enjoyed this session. I'll see you on the Telegram site. Bye bye.